Hello and welcome back to our channel, Make Money Online. Today, we'll be talking about one of the many ways you can make money online, creating business names. You can make up to $800 a day by creating business names. In this video, we'll be telling you exactly how it works. First, you've got to know the type of business you're giving a name to. The form of the business will determine the name. There are different kinds of businesses, and one of the many ways they vary is by ownership. The sole proprietor, for example, owns and manages his business by himself. He has unlimited liability for all obligations incurred by the business. And also all assets of the business belong to the sole proprietor, including the name of the enterprise to the manufacturing tools, the inventory, and retail fixtures. So in this kind of business, the owner is vested with the power of choosing a name he decides on. In choosing a name, the person coming up with the name must know what kind of business it is. They should also know whether it's a sole proprietorship business, partnership, or corporation, among others. In the case of partnership business, which is owned by 2 or more people, choosing a name for this kind of business would be in concurrence with the partners in the business. Some cases might even persist in which the business is a limited liability company or non-profit organization. In selecting a name for this form of enterprise, you should pay attention to the structure and earnings of the business. When choosing a name for a cooperative business, you should know that a cooperative differs from a corporation in that it has members, not shareholders, and they share decision-making authority. In this type of business, name choosing will be strictly monitored among the members in either of their classifications, which is consumer cooperative or worker cooperative. Secondly, when creating a name for the company, you've got to know what industry the business is in. It might be agriculture, in which all their dealings include domestication of fish, animals, and livestock, as well as lumber, oil, and mining businesses that extract raw materials, including wood, crude oils, natural gas, ores, plants, or minerals. Also, it could be a product-oriented business, either from raw materials or from component parts. The business can also be financial services, which may include banks, credit unions, insurance companies, or assets and investment, such as real estate investment trusts, sovereign wealth funds, pension funds, and stock exchange. Entertainment services can be film or music studios, production houses, mass media companies such as cable TV networks, online digital media agencies, mobile media outlets, and book and magazine publishing. All these are the prerequisites to be considered when choosing a business name. By narrowing through the business classifications, you'll be able to provide a suitable business name. Another prerequisite you should consider before choosing a name is the size and scope of the business in terms of its structure and management. For example, businesses that wish to raise money on a stock market or to be owned by a wide range of people will often be required to adopt a specific legal form to draft out their names. For this kind of business, you could give a name like Stock Market Lab or Market Lab. Also, in choosing a name, one of the important factors is the business's sales. Sales are often integrated with all lines of business and are key to a company's success. A company's sales will tell you what kind of name fits the business. For example, for a company selling electronic appliances, you could give a name like New World Electronics or Zeus Electronics. As a freelancer, the ideas for naming a new business are endless once you put on your thinking cap. The goal is to come up with the best strategy that works for you and the business name. The following are helpful tips to help you choose a unique business name that is relevant to you and/or the industry. Capitalize on the business location. The name of the city is one great way to brand the business and let the community know that the owners are open for business. You can also think of nicknames that define what your city or state is well known for, or use slogans or historical accounts that define the location. You can use these to your advantage when coming up with business names, such as Bayside Jobs Niche Coach, West Coach Venture Training, or Windy City News Vendor. Connecting through emotion. We all know that psychology plays a big role in connecting with people, and people who feel connected to a business become loyal customers. This is why words that evoke a certain emotion, reminders of personal experiences, and travel memories may be good for business and branding. Incorporating these experiences in a brand name can be a sure way to gain repeat customers for the business. Pun fun, word combination, and alliteration. Coming up with business names doesn't have to be stressful or boring. You can make brainstorming fun by creating puns, combining two relevant words and/or concepts, or by using the same letter and sound repetition. It's a creative way to construct a catchy company brand name. Here are some of the words you can use: class career coach, savvy success suite, or caring career consultant. Business names can also be a word combination, such as job-provement, generarch, or the life levate. A business name can also be short and sweet. Oftentimes, simply using one word for a business name can be more powerful and engaging for clients and customers. Carefully consider your brand and brainstorm adjectives and synonyms that describe your business idea. For instance, if you own a career coach business, ask yourself how you would describe what you're offering, such as consulting, guidance, mentorship, etc. Consider how you want your customers to feel: educated, motivated, accomplished, and so on. Examples are health consult, lifeguardship, or wealth train. Name game. Naming a business can be as easy as just using the owner's or proprietor's name. However, there are different directions you can take. Take, for example, celebrity names, public figures, or honoring someone you look up to or are close to, such as a mentor, friend, or family member. Some examples include Bones Job Advisors, Jason's Career Mentoring, Ziegler Professional Consulting, Bill's Consultants, or Kathy Career Services. Remember to stay on track by writing business names on your list that best define the specific future brand. If you've narrowed it down to a few ideas and are finding it too difficult to decide on one, don't forget to ask the proprietor for an honest opinion. Since the new business name will be on the products, make sure that it's a positive brand name that the proprietor and customers will be proud of displaying. That's it for today's video. We hope you found it helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content. See you next time!
That's caught in the crossfire.